To find media software codes licenses in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll to settings screen, find about phone, and then tap about phone. Tap legal information, and then select Google Play System Update Licenses. Tap Media Software Codes, and you can see the licenses in here. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.